What can you do with Gohighlevel? With Gohighlevel, you can do so many things in a one platform or in this software. Okay, so what you can do with Gohighlevel, you can able to create high converting sales funnels. You can create a website. You can create landing pages using Gohighlevel. Gohighlevel, you can also use and drag and drop surveys forms. There's so many things that you can do with Gohighlevel. Okay, maybe asking yourself, who can use Gohighlevel? Gohighlevel, it is the best for agencies and also for affiliate marketers. Okay, for people that they want to use Gohighlevel to create landing pages, to create sales funnels, to create a website, to do CRMs, to do SMS, to do email marketing. You can do all of those things with Gohighlevel. And also with Gohighlevel, you can install this software as your own software so that you can make money selling this software as your own software, meaning that you can able to upload your own domain. That's what I like about that. You can able to upload your own domain, so you can use your own domain to sell Gohighlevel, but you can just tweak, you can do some customizations. You can also use your own logo. Okay, it's so amazing. Let me show you some of the features that comes with Gohighlevel, as you can. But first of all, guys, okay, don't forget, if you want to get an access with Gohighlevel, click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video so that you can able to get started using Gohighlevel for 14 days free trial, guys. Okay, so let me show you what you can do with Gohighlevel. You can capture new leads. Gohighlevel is a full suite platform for marketers. Included in the platform is a fully featured page builder to capture new leads, meaning that you can use Gohighlevel to collect as many leads as possible with Gohighlevel. And what I like about Gohighlevel is that you can able to collect unlimited leads into your Gohighlevel business, guys. Okay, using Gohighlevel to collect as unlimited leads. There are no limit on the amount of leads that you can collect. You can create a full website. Okay, you can also use done for you themes on Gohighlevels. You can also use Gohighlevel to create your own custom website. You can create funnels and landing pages. Our institute platform allows you to create a fully featured website with custom menus, create high performing and captivating landing pages all in one place. Okay, you can also drag and drop surveys and forms. You can also use surveys, guys. Okay, you can also use online appointment scheduling. If it's that you're running an agency, you can use Gohighlevel online appointment schedule. The major step for many businesses is to capture appointments and request appointments. We have built our own calendar application with Gohighlevel, so you can capture the appointment all in one straightforward flow. Okay, if you scroll down, as you can see that, okay, you can able to automate your messages so that you can be hands off. Okay, you can do all of those things. You can also automate your messages on Gohighlevel, guys. It's like a CRM software, guys. Okay, you can nurture leads into customers. I mean that you can able to collect leads. Maybe you're collecting leads from Facebook using Facebook ads. You can take those leads into high paying customers for your business, that is for the products that you are selling, guys. Okay, the backbone of Gohighlevel is what you are able to accomplish after the lead captures. Easier customize your follow up campaigns. Our multiple channel follow-up campaigns allows you to automate engaging follow-up and capture engaging responses from your leads, meaning that you can also use SMS marketing to send follow-up SMSs. Not only you can use SMS marketing, you can also use email marketing, guys, with Gohighlevel. There are so many things that you can do here, guys. Okay, you can also use fully automated booking, guys. Okay, automated booking, book leads and prospect to your calendar without lifting a finger. Automated nurture conversations. Create with Gohighlevel, you can able to create conversations with the goal of placing booked appointments on calendar without any human interactions. You can do all of those things using Gohighlevel. You can also use full customizations of messages, meaning that you can get customized high quality performing messages that you can use for your business, guys. Okay, that comes with Gohighlevel. You don't have to start from scratch using these SMSs. They are already there that you can use, guys. Okay, and they are available on a free trial. Okay, you can also use artificial intelligence built in. This feature, it allows you to leverage AI, artificial intelligence machines, so that you can also monitor the conversations that you are sending into your leads, guys. Okay, you can also create membership areas, meaning that if they say that what I like about this feature is that you can sell courses, guys. Okay, you can also use membership areas. You can sell courses. This is create a driving community for your business or for your clients by using our membership platform. As you can see that they are fully featured courses management, build full courses with unlimited hosting videos, unlimited users, meaning that there are no limits on the amount of videos that you can use on your membership areas. Offer free and paid courses, meaning that you can also offer free or paid courses using Gohighlevel. Okay, you can use unlimited usage. Gohighlevel offers unlimited users, offers, and products for your courses. You can create courses for your clients or for your own business. What I like about Gohighlevel, not only that you can also create courses for your business, but you can sell this service to other businesses so that you can charge them money to host their own courses here on Gohighlevel, guys, so that you can make those big commissions using Gohighlevel. Okay, with Gohighlevel you can close more deals, meaning that Gohighlevel community is one of the most successfully visionary digital marketers on the planet. Get all the training and resources you need to start or to grow your business, because at Gohighlevel they have a full training on how to make your business to be a successful, on how to grow your business if you already have a business online, guys. Okay, with Gohighlevel you can manage your workflow and your pipelines. Okay, there are so many things that you can do here with Gohighlevel. I'm not going to show you all of those things. Remember to click the link down below in the description of this YouTube video to able to get started for free using Gohighlevel, guys. Okay, if you have any questions, please leave a comment down below in the comment sections and I'm gonna back to you as soon as possible, guys. Take care and may God bless you sharp.